Where can you watch or where to watch Naruto Shippuden in English? Well, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pippen and today I'll guide you and explain you on how and where you can watch Naruto Shippuden in English. Well, if you are an anime fan like me, but unlike me you want to watch it in English dub, then there are plenty of platforms that offers you the option to watch Naruto Shippuden in English. Well, currently you are able to watch Naruto Shippuden streaming on Crunchyroll. You can get the Crunchyroll app or you can watch it on the browser as well. You can see Crunchyroll. The other is Hulu. It might not be available in my region, but I'll just check it out. Crunchyroll, Amazon channel as well, and Adult Swim, or for free with ads on Crunchyroll as well. So you can sign up and watch on premium without ads, or you can watch for free on Crunchyroll with ads as well. So hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.